Big up Crosses TV.
So Crossy TV, you need to run with that now, man. You need to run with this now.
More I see now. More I see now. Ooh, well. DJ Miller with the whale. Appreciate the donuts and all the gift, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. So I'm going to add some people to you live right now. Because I know my sensation there. Out. Watch 20. At 20. Signature. Thank you, guys. Everybody big up my love. I'm going to add some people to my box. May I add? Hey, thank you.
Alright, go.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey,
Come down, man. Alright. Yeah, guys. So as I'm saying, make sure y'all subscribe because I have something for come talk to you about. I can't tell no lie. Guys, just subscribe. I can't do it because I'm from my friend. I got to take on a subscription money and I go to jail house tomorrow. I go tell the people them say, me come on live, come say for subscribe because I mix up for telling them tomorrow. Knowing me not have no mix up tomorrow. Knowing so no screen record me right now for go down the station for go show them the record say me did say guys I like me I tell me not have nothing for telling them. I just want you to subscribe so I can get a little change. So, I data go on. If you don't want to subscribe, I don't subscribe. But I just want you to subscribe and I get a little change. I don't have no mix up at you. So, I don't go boots and tell you nothing like that. So, that is that. You understand? So, I'm going to add some people to the live. I'm going to want to big up. Oh, I see Nurse Brown in the building. Call RT them and call Blinger them and call everybody so I can tell them like on face to face that I appreciate them. Hi, Nurse Brown. How are you?
Hi, Ivany. Welcome.
How are you?
Welcome home.
Ooh, glad we come out to see me.
Hi, baby.
Hi, mommy sweetness. Guys, me I look phone in the me want put up everybody with it actually can help me out and then we can add some other people. But me nah, I'll go if I request this man.
Like 75 of them.
Yeah, this is a lot of requests. Oh, Queen is here, Queen. So Queen, oh yeah, watch you understand. Not send your request. Guys, it's good to be back on TikTok, but I'm back with positivity and walk on a straight line. Oh, just send me $100. Voila, me I come.
Mommy Sweetness, come up.
Backside, somebody send me $100 on PayPal. Diana, thank you, baby. Yeah, that me I talk about. Diana, thank you. Me no have my PayPal. Send up your money, man. Money come. I'm trying to look for I'm trying to find nuts, but there are so many requests. There are so many requests. But more accept everybody is important to me, but more accept the most important.
RT is here. RT is here. I saw him coming.
Where? But them me see nuts them, but they don't send a request. It's the invite. RT send a request. I wanna call cheese and call everybody so me can, I mean now stay along with you because if I think me come back and now I go stay so and chat you all night and not run too much. I lie I tell. You hear all the way you hear already. And you see what you see. So nobody feel like me go stay right there and talk and match me come for run too much. Pin cash up. Okay, hold on. I don't have cash up and I have PayPal. My PayPal is Ivany, right? 24. IVANY RRIGHT 2 and a 4. Hold on. Me nah see nuts. Me see Tommy. Hey.
Hey, boo.
Hi. So I wanna say the RT.
Why the amount of requests over here?
Hi guys. Where is Ice? Ice is also Ice has but me nah I will not be in my life. Like, my like when him get big now, where him not cry much again, so me now have to take him up for have him in my life. Like back then when him did small, him sleep and him watch him movie and do him things. So me now have him. Oh, wow!
Thank you, my sister. Now that's my sister. Thank you, sister.
Under that, girl. What kind of way like that? Me echo somebody. Thank you. Send one more. You have to send two. Thank you, appreciate it. Guys, me I try to look for but me not just accept mommy sweetness. Now where she gone? Yeah, it was echo out because I know.
Me there.
$100 hold on.
Guys, me still a echo.
No, you're not echo no more, Nats. You are now.
Intense focus. Intense focus, thank you. Ray. Big up the girl that make you send $100 bill. Ray. A $200 no, send more. Thank you, I appreciate it. I'm missing you so much. I'm missing you far. Big up everybody. I will send me $25. Teresa, thank you. Ray, big up Teresa with the $25. Hey, why everybody mute there something?
Carry on, make it talk to the people them.
Why?
Somebody echo.
You
And
see,
me still a echo?
are you probably not?
Made a drop. I'll come back.
It I got hard to come back now. My God.
It's hard for coming in, so you have to look for me, girl.
Yeah, I'm going.
Because me tell us the dance, ram.
I didn't see Stacy. I said, thank you, Stacy. No, Stacy, I said, no, $100, me to say. $100. It was a mistake. Yeah, she did give me the $100. Brianna, girl, with the roses. Thank you. I appreciate it. So, guys,
Welcome
welcome
back, Vani.
everybody.
Welcome back. Welcome back. We are happy to have you back. My TikTok
Thank
nice
you.
again. You look so beautiful. Yeah,
It,
proper celebrity.
I know
Clean
some me
skin.
think it's a good nice
Got it
again
now.
because you know them come from country back there. They're not in all the street. It's around me right now.
No,
Or
man, you're
mom.
not. You're safe on the street. It's arrow, but you're going to be yourself. That's
Right?
Right.
just it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're happy to have you back. I ain't gonna lie.
And guys, I'm grateful because when me lock up, a lot of good things happen. Like, you know, me get my little things that might not be green card or win asylum case, but I got my stuff that I can go look at job now, so then I become possible to get yes! Lemons! Oxide! Slimmers, thank you.
One bad sister.
Thank you, Slimmers. I get my stuff them now, guys. You know, me can go look at nice little work.
Yeah.
And I can do my little thing now. So I appreciate that. Thank you for the way. I appreciate it.
Congratulations.
Me not see none like TikTokers them I said me not give you now. No make money, you know. You think me not so much money no make for work up. Send the gift them come. Send them come. TJ, where gift there? Signature. Thank you. Kitty send. Where is Kitty? I don't see. Lord God, Kitty not speaking, man. Cheese Blasi. One cheese Blasi and another two. Thank you. Cheese, I was looking for you to come up in another box. I appreciate each and everybody. And
Okay.
everybody will send me a thing. Oi!
Hey, nice one.
Ouch.
Yes!
Yeah.
Yes! I tell me about God! Yes!
Boy, just check.
Oh,
Record that.
God.
Record.
First round, thank you. You done for that, man. You see that? Use that as example for the recharge, guys. Use all of these gifts you're seeing coming as example for the recharge. Thank you. I appreciate each and everybody. Wanna miss me though?
We miss you bad, bad.
Yes.
Yeah, we want big
Bad,
up.
bad, bad, bad.
Yeah. You're bad, Vani.
Why, guys? The woman not give me a chance to miss her.
You know, say, you know, say,
You different.
everyone look at people love me and how me dig. Black away, I said them artists them over there, them love me.
But not, see, if you understand, so she now nobody fi come at you, you know.
Hey,
But if you
you
come at
just
you,
know say the woman
I you know she
no
never
Rob
come at me.
hey
She
the
was
woman
such
a
a
Rob me
baby.
give up my number to the inmate
They miss
them.
me, they miss
Me
me.
have to tell the people them say you know Ram forget the inmate them my number everything. When she can't get me a somebody else I call me from in there.
Right.
My love.
Fine, ma.
Get it?
And we're still not far, Divine.
You have to turn down, I could work. When me I talk on the phone, not scam me. You know, I'm telling you, I talk to somebody. Cute, is it? Okay, cute time. It's a echo. It's not echo no more. Well, Louis is right here acting like he can't eat seafood. Appreciate the money gun. Thank you. Tamar, pick up yourself. I remember you. What's up? I took my camera, find a man. Because the love cook. It's Perry. Where's Perry? Hello?
I'm still echoing guys. I don't think so.
Yeah, but man, I drop down. But want to say big up, and welcome back. I will want big up Scrubs. They don't know Scrubs know
Yes, Scrubs.
ourselves.
Big up
Yeah,
Scrub right
I have to
through.
big up Scrub right
Scrubs.
through.
Yeah.
Yes,
Scrubs, pick
I
up
have to big up.
yourself, Scrubs.
Yeah, Scrubs going with
Somebody
Yes,
said
yes.
Scrubs
ourselves.
and Echo.
Yeah, well, it literally seems like everybody at Echo because me not hear myself for Echo no more. But
All
big
right,
up
you number
yourself.
one.
I mean, good. Hmm?
Oh, yeah, yeah, go going.
Yeah,
What
me just
happened
want
to
big
me?
up everybody else and just jump.
Is
You know,
Scrubs
gang now.
here? Is Scrubs here?
Yeah. Big
This
up
man from
Scrubs and Cathy and the gang. They know themselves, man. They know
one
themselves.
team sensation and
But
number two.
wait,
Big
I
up.
never
Oh,
too.
and not only sensation. I want to
China.
big up everybody from different teams.
Yeah,
That you have
right.
different people where they're not sensation, they're not a fan of me, but because them hear the situation, then they just can't make them rest on them. Still send them money and them still pray for me and them look out for me. So I appreciate each and every one of them. And the people them will keep prayer meet what you call it prayer
Amen. Break
at
up
night
the
time.
purpose.
Thank you.
The
Yeah.
Yeah, she
purpose.
named that
Appreciate the girl.
the purpose. Big up you.
Yes.
And also Romar Fitness too, because Romar be playing 2v2. Him and
Oh
Wayne
yes, Roman,
be
thank
playing
you.
2v2 with me and I'ma say Father Scotty come in. Father Scotty big up
Father Scotty,
you.
we need big up Father
And
Scotty.
and
Big up
and this
yourself.
other girl named Toya. There's a
Mm-hmm.
Toya over there too. She always
Mm-hmm.
online with for you.
Repeat.
Toya, there's a lady named Toya.
Mm.
She always
Sorry, big up
online too.
yourself. Big up yourself, Solomon.
And everyone that came out and
Everybody.
sing and read Bible nightly
Mm-hmm.
with me and Knox and the
Everything nice.
purpose.
Yes. We
And
appreciate y'all.
Scrubs.
Big up Father God
Big.
for doing it again for Vonnie.
Yes, big up
Yes.
God and boy, I'm glad you come out, Vanny, cause the people them not rest me. A
Yeah.
40 days and
I'm
40
not
nights,
be
me get
glad.
Everything go well.
You
Everything
know
go
I'm in the
well.
rest of that.
boy, may I tell you, boy, thank big
You
up
know,
God.
for the people that put me, Barney got it. It went straight to my attorneys, my family attorney, immigration attorney, criminal attorney. So I'm grateful for everything. No, everybody can unmute it. I just not something.
Me still a echo, guys.
No, no, no.
Oh, no, me.
Hello. Okay, hold on. Mommy Sweetness.
Yo.
You see, it's not Mommy Sweetness. Thank you for the galaxy. Not you, unlock.
See me here again.
Hello. Are you?
Am me a echo still?
Yeah, because you
Listen,
unlock.
I don't know what I go on. Actually, I call my phone before the live, you know. You just mash up my old things while I go on.
Is this what? No, everybody.
But
The
yeah, man,
sensation.
we're good.
All right.
We're good. We're
That's
good.
over there.
Big up Sims too. Sims
Yes.
sensation. Big
Tim,
up
pick up
Sims.
yourself.
So she's in a big up me.
Big
Valentine,
up
big up.
You know, to
Oh my
Casey in the
God.
back.
Vonnie
Hey,
big
she
up
go like she
already,
don't want to big
baby.
me up.
Vonnie big up already, baby.
But we have to drop down so
Why the man
somebody
a
else
drop
can
down? Me
come
not
up.
try restart my phone.
Michaela, hi.
Yeah.
Oh,
Later, people. Love ya.
all right. Enough love. Bye. Let me say, oh, bomba, this hot man.
Yes, she is.
Mhm.
She is
Thank
here.
you. Oh, mama, I cheese. But me not see RT them.
You don't know it's one celebrity around the place, cute and girly.
And girly.
Rapid burst. Hello, I'm going to over the supermarket over there, sir. Can I get a taxi?
Cute and girly.
Vani, welcome back, welcome back. Cute, cute, cute.
So what's
I
up?
said I'm going over the taxi. What do you call over this again? The supermarket.
It's a chill.
Stop and shop.
Muddy.
Yeah,
Unblock
please.
RT.
Alright, stay there, so I go outside.
Queen Bella
I
said
use
to
my phone.
unblock.
Here, hey girl.
Oh, outside, I have to go draw money. For Canada, hold on the side, guys. Pass the car, pass the
And
car.
that with cheese. And take out cheese about that.
Yes, Wani,
Oh,
you're pretty soon. You look like a Barbie girl.
hey.
You came back stronger than before, girl. I like this way you, sister. I like this. Jesus Christ, I'll be nice again. No. That's a code. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, honey girl. What is it? Lion.
$46. Make sure you get an extra 50 for me, son. She about to get $50. Make sure you give me an 8 for her and some back order.
Oh, what kind of nice that? Thank you. So
Yeah,
pretty.
mute, wait.
Let me read the comments there. Mute, me can't hear, me can't, Gage, hi Gage, I saw you come in. Chelsea, me see another building, big up my sensation, them. Queen Bella, I was trying to unblock RT. RT is not blocked on my page. Who blocked RT? Hold on, let me see who was moderator. May I take off all of the moderator then? Hold on. Who blocked RT? Who dare does that? No, not the only person who moderator and she not gonna block RT.
No pedophile over here. Remember, unmute again. I don't pedophile.
No, this is not the place, Judge Roy. This is not the time.
Cheese, me too add but me gonna add RT here.
Yes, Gage. Yeah.
Get your white tea.
White.
Thank you, Gage. You don't know you were my bro from a longer time. Nobody give me no TikTok universe and take me have no feeling. I have no feeling for your girlfriend. Thank you. I appreciate you. Enough love. Guys, now go look and see who black RT. What RT page? Somebody tell me. What's this then? Spell RT.
I wonder if at some long time it happened.
Vani,
It's probably not blocked because I saw him
No, me
zoom
and RT
in.
are friend. RT
I
have
saw he zoomed in. He's here. He zoomed in. He's not
he has
blocked.
145,000 followers. Me not block him. I go looking at the stuff me there. But me not go add him when she's up here now because this is not the time. So me I forgot.
Sister girl, me I go jump, cause you don't know by right. You will show, you know, a good boy towards certain things. Me I go jump with my pedophile, me I jump and come back. Me I jump and come back, wait, bro, come down. Yeah.
Enough love. But me not see RT send a request. He's not here. Hold on guys, now look at RT. Appreciate all the gift. RT the gift they look like a first mess to them.
You first see them, girl.
Yeah, he's not here. RT is not here. He's not. He's maybe him join and then him come over, but me not see him where if you add him or anything. Appreciate it, guys. Enough love. Big up yourself. All the TikTokers. Wicked girl, wagwan. RT was on the live. Oh,
Vani,
huh? May I forgot take them.
I'm not one of your biggest gifters, but I really appreciate you adding me, and I'm happy that you're back. I normally message, like, reply to your story post and you respond to me, and I really, really appreciate it. And I wish and I hope one day that I can give you so big, girl. And I'm happy that you're back. I'm coming from work right now, so I'm on the road, but I'll be here watching.
Thank you. All you have to do. My mother always tell me, I know how much I make a work, how much you save. Just save and you go to say you can give big. Yeah, man.
One van me, I never told. God, I miss you. Jesus
Thank you so
Christ.
much. Enough love.
I miss,
Guys,
listen,
I take
I
down
miss
some
you
of
until
this so we
my,
can add some people. Here, J.
girl, while you were away, I'll
Thank you.
create
I'm
my
gonna
own
come
like a
back.
team and son of any
My
white
girl
things that go
Sheens
on.
and Sheens me go add
You
up
can't let
here.
me have to, love you.
Honey, not
And
better.
congratulations of being out.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Change the grade.
Yes, girl,
Come with
I'll be
it again.
watching. I'll be watching. You
All
can't
right,
take me
much
out.
love.
Love.
I'm coming soon.
All right.
Natalia.
Disconnect. Right. Wait, disconnect. Wait, man. I think we good enough.